What up, what up, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlogs. For those that you don't know me, my name is roo.say. Thank you so much for joining me today. Got some cold tires, gotta take it easy on these turns. What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for joining me. FedEx driver, the light is green. Let's warm up these tires because I want to go on the back roads. It's a little warm today in San Diego. So those of you guys that have been watching my other videos lately, I think you might notice a difference, or I think honestly you probably do notice a change in quality of videos. So I retired my GoPro. I used to have the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, and honestly it was getting pretty outdated. The whole setup was kind of annoying me with like how the mic situation and everything, and like how when I go to a certain speed the mic just starts popping because of the wind noise or whatever, and it was like really irritating. And so decided to go to Best Buy one day, and this was back almost during like Father's Day, to get my dad a Father's Day gift. And I was looking at this camera for a long time, and I really wanted it, but you know, it took me a while to really pull the trigger on it because I just wanted to. Okay, let me come through. Thank you, sir. This is a little dangerous. I don't recommend doing that ever. But anyways, so I ended up picking up the DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. I've done a lot of research about it. I know a lot of motor vloggers also have this camera, and I've only heard nothing but good things about this camera. And so I decided to just pick it up. I decided to say YOLO. You know, I was gonna wait until a little bit longer into making more vlogs to really commit myself into buying this. But you know, it's not a bad deal. It's 300 bucks. And oh, there's a popo. Hello. Good thing he didn't pass me when I did whatever I just did. No, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, I decided to just pick it up because you know what? Fuck it. I'm pretty committed. Fucking Michael!
Why do you think I fucking
Was I the one that passed you?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you going this way? Really? I'm gonna take the bike to the Backroads right now. Later. That was my friend right there. Oh, that's so fucking funny, actually. But anyways, so I decided to pull the trigger, and I hope the video quality is a lot better. The mic doesn't probably pop as much anymore, but I hopefully it doesn't. I had to go through so much bullshit to really try to dial in the mic issue. And so in this video, it's going to be obviously the first vlog that I actually use this camera with the new setup. And I gotta tell you, it's a pretty good camera, because obviously I've been doing some trial and errors on the camera, trying to figure out the mic situation, and I finally figured it out. So all you guys that want to get into motor vlogging, I'm gonna put all the things that I use, like the mic, the, you know, whatever other accessories you need to run this camera to be able to vlog and stuff. I'm gonna link everything that I use in the description. So those of you guys that have been wanting to get into motor vlogging, you guys could just kind of go off of based off what I buy, and just go from there. Cause I've watched a lot of videos on what up, brother? All right, no wave. All right, that's cool. Because I've gone through a lot of trial and error, like I said, trying to figure out like how to get this setup going. But It took me a lot. I had to return stuff. I had to keep buying new stuff to see if this would fix the problem. And I finally figured it out. So I will post everything in the description. And I need to focus because I'm going through like these turns. This is my first time taking this bike into the back road, so I really need to focus. So if I stop talking into a turn, that's probably why. I am by no means a professional, so I know I might take these turns like shit, but I am just learning. By the way, I am squidding, and I do not recommend taking back roads in just a t-shirt and some sweatpants. It is hot as hell, so that is why. We got a truck coming up, so probably won't be able to take these turns as fast as I want to. Oh, you ruined my fun, man. I wanted to take these turns. Ah, you piece of no. This man is a hard-working person. He is just doing his job. But I'm gonna pass him here. I guess I'll go left. You go left. But anyways, also I want to thank a lot of you guys that have been tuning into my videos. I know a lot of you guys are new subscribers and have been watching my videos. I just want to say I'm so thankful that you guys have just been watching, even just clicking on one video. I'm very grateful because you know, I love to do this as a hobby, and I feel like doing stuff like making videos, it could become very easy to lose motivation because you know, if you don't see, obviously it's like going to the gym. If you don't see any progress, you kind of get a little demoralized and you kind of just don't want to do it anymore. So I'm very grateful that I've just seen a lot of people following and, you know, just keep watching my videos because, you know, it just makes me even more motivated to keep making content for you guys. And obviously that's another reason why I bought this camera, to get you guys better content and fix the wind noise issue that has been bothering me so much. Really, I would appreciate if you guys would leave more comments though. I love reading your comments and reading your feedback and everything, because I do listen to you guys, and I do reply to every single one of you guys, so, and I do read them. So if you guys are just curious about asking questions about me, about anything that I do, just leave a comment down below and I will answer you guys. So don't think that I don't read your guys' comments, or I won't reply to you guys, because I always do. So that's one of my biggest things. Oh, this is a really tight turn. Oh my god. Oh my god, these roads are not good. I haven't gone through this road in so long, and there's a trash truck. Let's see if I can just pass him. God, so much traffic. Sorry guys, I'm a little focused right now. I'm locked in. I'm locked in. There's leaves here. It's slippery. Bump. Ugh. Brake. 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 I know I'm riding like shit, guys. Don't even say anything, okay? I'm learning. This is my first time going through these roads also in a very, 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 very long time. Woo, that was a good turn, I guess. I don't know. Felt good. Gravel right there. Danger, danger. Slippery, slippery. More leaves, more leaves, more leaves. Sketch, sketch, sketch. Cool. That's pretty fun. We're gonna go back onto the main road here. But yeah, let me know down in the comments how you like this camera, how you like the footage so far. This is my first time actually making editing and making a video, so I have no idea how well this video is going to turn out. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. But I'm very excited to use this camera now. I've heard nothing but good things about it. And like I said, I'm going to link down everything that I use in the description below. That way for you guys that are getting into motorcycles, can't just, you know, go down in the description and just buy whatever I have. That way you don't have to go through the trial and error that I had to go through to be able to finally start recording. So one thing about this setup is the mic that I use is what it's called a TRRS mic. So it comes with a little short adapter that you have to plug into the USB-C adapter that goes inside the DJI, and you just have to use that little accessory to be able to use the mic so it's compatible and it'll pick up your voice. But other than that, there's not much else. The mount that I use for my camera, it's a chin mount. It's called a chin mount. I'm sure you've heard of it if you've done some research on motorcycle vlogging, because that's pretty much what everybody uses to mount their camera, because they specifically make the mount for your helmet. I run a Shoei R1400 helmet, so I had to get that adapter that's meant specifically for my helmet. And so you just pretty much put in the name of your helmet and the make and model of it, whatever, and it should pop up. So yeah, I want to take this out to some more back roads, but kind of on a time crunch, and I just wanted to make this short vlog to show off the new camera, which I know a lot of you guys have probably seen a lot of reviews on it, because honestly this camera is really good. If you're getting into motor vlogs, I would not recommend getting the GoPro, just because you have to get like a bunch of other attachments for the GoPro, and it's just a big hassle. This one you literally just get a USB-C adapter to like the female 3.5mm microphone thing. You just plug it in and it makes the setup a lot more cleaner. I don't know if you can see it in my camera, or my mirror I mean, but yeah, before I had like this big block next to my face on the side of my helmet, and it was just like really ugly. So yeah, and like I said, the mic noise, the mic was always popping and cracking at certain speeds. And so far from what I've noticed when I was going out on test runs with the mic to make sure that it's recording properly, I haven't heard any of the popping at all. So that is amazing. It's nice though, there's a nice breeze coming through. Obviously if you're just sitting in a light, you're just gonna start cooking on a bike, but this isn't bad at all. Look through the turn, boom. Look through the turn. Oh, man, those weren't even crazy turns, honestly. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching my videos. And like I said, thank you all so much for the new guys that have been subscribing, new guys or girls, whatever, that have been subscribing and watching my videos lately. I appreciate you guys all so much. Like, honestly, words don't describe how thankful I am and how much I appreciate all of you guys that just watch my videos. So anyways, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that's crazy. That is so crazy, because literally I just started vlogging like a month ago, and we've gained like, I believe like 50 subscribers already, and like that's kind of mind-blowing to me. Like, you know, I'm just an average person, there's nothing special about me, so it's just kind of crazy to think that, you know, people are willing to watch my videos and support me. So yeah, I appreciate you guys all so much, and I love you all, and I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.